Hello everyone, welcome back to another watch-in. Today I've got a couple box openings, and these were watchgang wheel spin watches, and I'm going to give both of these away. Before we open those up and take a look at what we're going to give away, do a quick wrist check, see that I am still wearing that Spinnaker Croft today. I really like this one, and Spinnaker has given me a promo code to give out that I believe is still active, so I'm going to link to that in the notes for the video. Also guys, I want to let you know, fellow YouTuber Watch Me Unboxing is doing a giveaway as well. He's actually going to be giving away the next platinum watch he receives in January 2019. Now, if you guys follow me, you know that the platinum watches cost $299, so that's a pretty awesome giveaway. If you want a chance to win that, I will link to that in my notes as well. Also guys, one thing I've noticed, I didn't realize that YouTube had changed a little bit, and now you need to hit the bell if you want notifications of my videos. So definitely hit the bell so you can stay up to date, and you'll want to be notified when we actually give these away. So we've got two Seikos here, and honestly it's been long enough that I don't even remember what they were. So they are SNK 809s. Both of them are the same. All right, so they are Seiko 5s, pretty entry level automatic, but a nice, clean, simple automatic. We have a display case back, and it's on a black strap with kind of a matte finish on the hardware there, and a matte finish on the case as well. Really pretty nice entry-level automatics. I've not worn either of these. I'm not going to wear either of these. These are both giveaways. It is Christmas time. Why not do some giveaways? Now, normally, guys, I run them for, you know, a couple, 2 or 3 weeks before I do the giveaway, just to give everyone a chance to get entered in that wants to enter in. So, all you really need to do to be entered in this is, you know, subscribe to the channel. I would hit the bell so you get notified, and comment below. And I used to say comment pick me, but I am good with whatever you guys want to say. So if you comment below, you are automatically entered. Maybe comment your favorite watch or a watch that you guys think I should check out, which is something I have done before. You know, Spinnaker was a recommendation from a viewer, and I absolutely love them. So here's a chance to you know, win one of these. I will do 2 giveaways, and absolutely, click that link to Watch Me Unboxing's video for a chance to win one of the watchgang platinum watches, which, you know, how can you go wrong there? I've given away a platinum watch in the past. Like I said, I mean, the subscription price on that's $299, so it's a great deal. Now, these were on the tier 1 wheel spin from Watchgang, which is equivalent to about $50 if you bought the points. Now, I saved up my points and spun these so I could give them away to you guys. There's not automatics on that first wheel that often. As you can see, the retail price on this one is $195, and honestly, I think you can find them in the $65, $70 range. When we do the giveaway video, I'll do a follow-up and give you a little bit more specs on these. Like I said, comment below. Let me know what you guys think of the watches. As always, guys, thanks for watching.